Hi everyone, Deb here. I'm here with the embellishments on the 11th collab that I'm hosting this year again. We have the same participants as we did last year and the same thumbnail, so you can find us. Anyway, let me show you what I did. I'm going to put this white sheet here because it'll be easier to see everything. I decided to play with these two dies I've had in my stash for quite a while. I think I read that, yeah, copyright 2015 and 16. I wouldn't have bought them that long ago, but probably 2017 or possibly 18, but I'm guessing 17. And I don't remember ever using them. Maybe I used this once. I'm not sure. I don't remember using them, so I decided to use them. So let me show you these first. I'm going to just lay them out here. I think they're adorable. I wanted to go with a hot cocoa, coffee or tea kind of theme this time. Mostly hot cocoa because it's winter and it is back to being cold again here. I made 10 of these. So the thing about these is they're one sheet. And actually what inspired me is two things. I wanted to do that theme, but also I just watched a video by Poet Spice, Jamie, and she just bought some cottage cuts. And I was like, oh, you have such patience. Because the thing is, to get these beautiful, cute things, you have to die cut them many times. So you can see I die cut in Craft, in Early Espresso, in Pool Party by Stampin' Up, in this is actually Sweet Sorbet. I should have used Real Red, but anyway. And in White. And in Shaded Spruce one time. And yeah, you kind of have to do that to get all these bits. And then I end up with, for both those packs, I ended up with all these pieces that I'll probably never use. I might throw them out because who's going to have dark green marshmallows and dark green, well, you'll see on the next ones, dark green whipped cream, right? You know? So anyway, I'm probably going to throw those out. I even did stretch it a little bit and said, well, we're going to have root beer or chocolate candy canes, you know? So I pieced it all together. I used finger daubers and I went around the edges with the same colors or even on the hot cocoa. Now two of them, this one and I forget which one. This, nope. I don't remember which one. There's two of them that this one. These two, I just colored in the hot cocoa and I used my craft knife, this one that I have. I don't remember who it's by. Anyway, it looks like a pen, but it comes out like that, very sharp, and then you just push the button to retract. Love it. Comes in handy, and this mat is self-healing even though it looks a mess. I clean it every time I use it and it still looks a mess. Anyway, and then I did use glossy accents on the most of the candy canes and some of the little stir sticks. I guess that's what they are. Or pepper, I don't know what they are. Some other candy stick. I didn't use it on this one, and I apparently didn't use it on this one. And I also used it on all the little reindeer noses. Now I had originally put Winkostella on them too, so this one in particular looks more glittery in it. You can't really see it on camera, but so because they're so glazy. But and also on these candy canes, to get them a little redder than this color, I took the Sweet Sorbet alcohol marker and I colored over the reds on those and the noses before I did all the glossy accents. These, of course, I had to use a marker, and I used the Early Espresso dye-based marker by Stampin' Up. And I colored in the chocolate chips and the eyes of the little deer. I kind of messed that one up. I'll have to fix it. In fact, let's just do that. If you hear thumping and stuff in the background, my neighbor is having a new house rebuilt where they just tore down the old one. And today is apparently laying cinder block day for the basement. And yeah, it's been noisy. Now the couple of them, these two are stickers, and they're from a paper pad called Blue Noel by DCWV that I also found in my winter iris bin. I just used some of these because I didn't have anything else to go on them, but I thought they went well. And I happened to have that paper pad out. So that's the first batch using this one called Holiday Cocoa. Aren't they cute? I don't know that I'll be able to ever use all of them. It came with the little chocolate kisses. It came with the cookies. It came with the little reindeer head. And oh, and this paper, this craft paper, see this side has, I don't know if you can see, it has snowflakes on. That is also out of that blue note. Oh, no, it isn't. It's out of a paper pad called Hot Cocoa, which is also several years old. Okay, then for this one, here they are. I was having fun playing with this. This one I didn't have another white, so I just took, actually this is a, oh, well, now I think this was an extra from this set. Maybe that's where my other piece went. I put it on this and made it look like a cup rim there. I think it worked anyway. Let me know what you think. And these, the snowflakes came in it, the holly came in it, this came in it, and I didn't know what to do because I have several more of those. You see, and first I thought they're doilies to sit the cup on, but they're too small. So then I decided they're just an alternative label. You could put this way or this way. I don't know, but I put them together and I figured I'll use them for something. I'm not sure what, but there we go. What do you think they're for? And then of course all the candies. So, and I guess you could put them. I don't think I did them right. And also I was thinking, and there's a little piece that came out. I was thinking I should put glossy accents on some of these, not the ones that I'm calling root beer again. Root beer candies. I don't know. Brown mints. I have several of them. I used them because why not? I still have extra pieces, but not enough to make the full little candies. So we have green and red. I didn't end up putting any of them on, but I might, if I use these for cards or something, I might end up, you know, putting them on the cards. So I made 7 of those, and I think they're adorable. So let me know what you think. So 7 of those and 10 of these and all these little extra bits and bobs. I had a lot of fun playing. I felt like I was playing paper dolls from way back in the day. So let me lay them all out. And I finally used my cottage cuts. And I do plan on using at least some of these in a project for next month. So you'll have to wait and see what that'll be. And then maybe, I don't know if they're worthy to be gifted. Let me know what you think. I could gift some also, because I don't think I'll be able to use all of those. But we'll see. I don't know. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed, and do come back next month and see what we all make, and please hop along and see what the others in the collab. This is a formal collab, but you're welcome to play along. I will also have the hashtag in the description down below if you'd like to, so that I can find your makes, and others can too. And yeah, and I was thinking, oh, I should do this for Die Cut Monday because I did the die cutting on Monday, but then you'd see in advance what I'd show on the 11th, so I didn't do that. And yeah, I have enough collabs going, I think. All right, everyone. Talk to you soon, like tomorrow for another collab, and we'll see you again, I hope, next month for Embellishments on the 11th. Take care and have a great January.